Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. What's going on? Today is Thursday, June 6, 2024, and the vlog starts here. We just checked in. It's awesome. Eva's here with me.
Hey guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to get in the lazy river.
So we do have 2 beds in this room, and we're on the 2nd floor. And the bathroom is pretty nice. Look at this. Beautiful bathroom. We have a separate sink area and a privacy door with the tub and toilet, and it's beautiful. It looks really nice. This is one of the value resorts here at Universal, and we are here for the Orlando Informer. It's an after-hours event, but it does start early at 5 p.m. You're allowed to go into the parks already, and then when the guests leave later on, we get to hang out about 4 or 5 hours in the park with restaurants open. We get free food. It's incredible. I found something. What a nice hoodie. Universal Studios. It's really nice. I like the blue color. I like the way it's designed. Bathing suit section and yeah, hangout clothes. I love Scooby-Doo. Raro. Oh wow, over here they have the Cabana Bay hoodie. Nice. Oh, another Universal Studios. It's cool. I like this one too. Oh, I love the towels. So nice. Another t-shirt, Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Beautiful. Vacation vibes only, Universal Studios. This is cool. They have these, all this merch here with the patches. You got Universal Studios, the dinosaurs, or Please Don't Feed the Dinosaurs. Hogsmeade, you got Phone Home, E.T. Autobots, Roll Out, Skull Island, Stay Hydrated. Vacation vibes only. Hello. The hoodie says Universal, and then the patches are on the back, which is really cool. And they have the little backpacks. Mugs, tons of mugs. What? Spider-Man hats. Man, I love hats. There he is. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Does whatever a spider can. Yeah, they have a Starbucks here. This is awesome. Really nice Starbucks. Wow. That looks pretty cool. Cabana Bay Beach Resort, Starbucks. Look at all the cups, coffee cups. Oh, and they got the pastries. And then upstairs, there's a bowling alley up there. And more. Oh, okay, this is what we were seeing from the outside. Bayliner Diner. It's over here. They do have restrooms down here. There's an elevator, but the diner's right here. I'm in the diner. They have a grab and go section here. Pretty cool. Oh wow, they have an icy machine. You know, it's really hot today, so the icy machine, yeah. A natural food section. And yeah, pizza, of course. Pizza. They have a hot off the grill set area. International food right here called International Eats. A deli over there in the corner and a salad bar here in the middle. Oh, they have a frozen yogurt bar on this side right by the salad bar. And then you just walk this way, pay, and the sitting area is over there, which is pretty expansive. Icy flavors. Oh yeah, they got Coke, blue raspberry. Well, they ran out, looks like. Green apple and Fruit Loops. All right, this is the dining area right next to the diner. This is pretty big. Nice big area. You got TVs up there. Wow, they're playing some old commercials. There's some old G.I. Joe commercials. They have the Flintstones on. Pretty awesome. This resort is all 1950s. Throwback to the 50s. Really cool. Oh, they got TVs on that side too. Oh wow, they have a shake shop here. That is so cool. I love that, the shake shop. And they do have like a TV over there with a lot of seating. Wow, what a cool little place. Game-O-Rama, let's go play. Oh yeah, they got the claw. Lots of games here, man. I love this. This is right next to the bowling alley, by the way. We're on the second floor, and there's so much here. Oh man, a lot to enjoy here. Very nice. Hey, Dorothy. Here's the staircase right next to Galaxy Bowl. Ready, babe? Let's go bowl. Ready to go bowling?
I want to bowl.
This looks like fun, man. Look at this place. Oh, wow. Look at this. Pretty awesome. Oh, cool. The bowling alley does have food. Very nice. Starters, salads, and entrees. Hey guys, check it out. The LaLanne Physical Fitness Studio. You can come and work out right here. Oh my God. What a throwback to the 50s for sure. They even played these out in the 60s and 70s on TV. So next to the fitness studio, we do have the overlook of the lobby where we came in. So we came in from this side over here. And then over there, check in. Pool is that way. Man, this resort is really cool. I'm loving it. One of the cool things about Cabana Bay is that they do provide buses. Here's the bus stop this way, real close to the lobby. Just come over here and you get free buses, by the way, free buses, transportation to Universal Parks, which is awesome. Gotta love free transportation. We just parked well here, about to enter Building 6, the Americana. We were just heading down to the pool, and guess what happened? Oh my God, guys, we just came downstairs to go to the pool, and there's a storm now. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh well, let the adventure begin. Wow, the storm came out of nowhere. It's crazy. Well, I guess we'll stay in and eat something. So this is the Brazilian Churrasco, $17. You get two sides. So I got the potato casserole, jasmine rice, and then I ordered extra beans for me. Eva went with the chicken dinner. It's called Moho chicken. And the Moho chicken is $16. And we did get the refill cups. Those are 22 bucks each, and they last for 7 days. Eva went to get us some sodas. And we're right here by the pool. The storm is still happening, but the wind has died down. So we'll see what happens later on, if we're gonna be able to get out and swim a little bit, or maybe we'll wait till tomorrow morning. Here it is, my $22 cup soda for 7 days. It all paid for. Eva got one too. All right, it's dinner time, guys. It's dinner time. So excited. Try something new here. You ready for your dinner?
Sure.
I finished, but Eva is still eating. I didn't eat it all, man. It's so good though. It was really, really good. I gotta tell you, the churrasco was really tasty. The casserole, that was a surprise. The potato casserole, man, it's so delicious. I mean, it's hot. They serve it really hot. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. All good. So it's like shredded potatoes and cheese. And then the jasmine rice was really flavorful as well. Surprisingly flavorful. And then the beans also. A lot of flavor on the beans. So now I'm just sitting back while Eva eats, checking out the videos. They have Hot Wheels videos on right now. Some old vintage Hot Wheels videos. They had some G.I. Joe videos. They had some Flintstones cartoons playing. They had a bunch of other old commercials. Pretty cool stuff. Oh, we were just looking at the map. You know what they're saying for today? Sweltering. They have the map of Florida, a big red spot all over Florida. And it says sweltering weather. Babe, let's have a toast with our new cups. To Cabana Bay. Old Remco toys. $6.95 and $3.95. Wow, they were expensive back then. Hey guys, loving the Jurassic Park t-shirts. You got your Jurassic Park mugs here and your towel, or it's a throw. I think it's a throw. But your sippy cups are there. Pretty cool. They're here by the store, by the Starbucks. We're walking around kind of like by the bus stop. Want to check out the buses and see how the skies are doing. And I wanted to see how the Cabana Bay sign looked lit up. Back there on the right, you see the Aventura. That's also a Universal Resort. And it's fun to check out the buses. Here's the Secret Life of Pets bus. They have a few. They have Minions and they have a few others. Let's see what we can catch here at the bus stop. But we're enjoying the light show. We have the lightning show happening. There goes the bus. Wow, look at that. The sign looks so beautiful lit up. Oh, it's been fun checking out the lightning. Wow, look at it's incredible. I caught some cool lightning. Look at that. The sky looked really dark blue and then it changed. Kind of cool. Here comes another one. This one does have the Minions on the side there. Orlando Universal Resort Transport. I love that they have the free transportation for people who stay at the resorts. It's just great. They get you to the parks pretty fast. They're only like a mile away. And they have a big bus station there at the park. Here's Harry Potter. The Harry Potter Diagon Alley bus. Wow. Woo, that looks amazing. Whoa, that's a good one. I got some nice shots. Those were fun to take. I'm back at the Bayliner Diner, checking out the cars again. This time in the dark, so it looks so pretty out here. What a cool down we've had after such heat. It really cooled down now. This is right by the bus stop. It's really cool to see the cars here. They only have 2 vintage cars today. I think they used to have more. That's my shadow going across. Ford. Nice. Man, you don't see this every day. Country Squire, it says. Hard to see in the darkness, but yeah, look at the weather we're having. Let's see if we have some lightning happen back there. The pool is closed now because of the lightning, but we have the Starlight building there. And it does look beautiful at night. What's that say back there, baby? Thunderbird or Thunderer? Thunderbird? And Castaway on this side. Here's a wide angle of the Starlight, the Thunderbird, and the Castaway. It looks like it's gonna be raining for a while.